Hi there. In this video, we will see how you can add GitHub login to your login page while using Authorizer. So first, you will need an Authorizer instance. For the demo purpose, I have deployed Authorizer instance on Heroku and this is up and running. I'll just open this app and go to /app URL. You will see that right now login with GitHub is not enabled on this particular application. So let's do that. For that, we will go to github.com, go to settings. On the left side, you will see developer settings. Go to OAuth app. Let's create a new OAuth app called Authorizer Social Login. This is the home page. Now, authorization callback URL will be our application URL. That is this. In case if you have configured your own domain, then use that domain slash OAuth callback / GitHub. You can get this particular documentation from endpoints. So we have OAuth callback / GitHub. Register this application, and now we have client ID and we can generate client secret as well. Now let's see how we can configure this on our authorizer instance. So for that, let's go back to the documentation of environment variables. Here you will see that we have GitHub client ID. So let's configure this environment variable. In Heroku, you have to go to settings, table config variables, and here you can set the environment variable. This is our GitHub client ID. We need to add one more, that is GitHub client secret. So I'll just copy this secret that we generated. Don't worry, I'll be deleting this application after recording a video, so you won't be able to use it. Now, once the environment variables are configured, the instance needs to be restarted, but Heroku does that for us. So let's quickly check that if login with GitHub is enabled or not. So as you can see, sign in with GitHub button is now enabled on your application. If we click on this button, we will have to authorize this. Once this is authorized, you will be logged in. So that's awesome. So this is how you can enable GitHub login on your application. Thank you.